Hello, greetings. My name is Loel Wheeler. I'm the VP of Sales for Murideo Worldwide. Today we're going to show you a little demonstration of our new STIX units that we manufacture. And we just started selling back in the beginning of this year. They're very portable. As you can see, they're like a thumb drive that plugs in to a device. So this would be a source device. This would be an analyzing device. So now I can go in and I can look at certain things that are taking place with this device. This is now analyzing this device here. So now I can see things like what the timing is, the bandwidth. I can do a little bit of signal monitor testing. And I can see the different patterns coming out on this little screen. So what that would be used for could be for matrix switches. So I can put a source in, then I can check every single output on that switch. So I can verify resolution, bandwidth, timing, everything is correct before I deploy. We then have the generator, which is the other half of the STIX. So we have two STIX, one generates, one analyzes. So what we're using here is the Murideo 6A, which is an analyzer. So what I wanted to show you is that I can go ahead, I've got a 4K 60 8-bit signal going into this analyzer, and I can change the patterns at will. If I want, I got 13 different patterns in this generator. This can go up to 48 gig, all the way down to 720, as far as timing. So we got, let's say, a different pattern here. Push and hold a little button. Now I have a ramp pattern. So again, used for verification, testing of the system that I'm working with. And I'm just showing you that I can go through the bandwidth, change it from 18 gig, 9 gig, 24, 32. Multiple things I can do with both of these STIX. They're not battery operated, so I do have to power them. So I have this one plugged into a USB port. It could be on a TV or a projector, but the best part of it is I can use my phone with a USB-C to USB-C. So that also powers. And so there is a controller which was designed so it has 24 ports. If I'm building a bigger system, either a matrix system, or maybe I'm using an HD over IP. So now I have, let's say, 9 by 60 outputs. Before I deploy that rack system, I can put the controller box in there, and it's about this big. It would go into the rack, and then I would plug in my source device, which would be my generator. And then I could put up to 60 of these in that same system. With that control box, now I can control everything from the software. It comes up in a grid, and now I can choose and pick where I'm at, which source device, which output. Again, verification of source, resolution, bandwidth, and how the system is performing before I deploy it.